Hey friends, this is Skills 4, Lesson 7. Like always, oral blending first, me first, and then you do it with me. First word, mad, ad, mad. Do it with me. Mad, ad, mad. Next word, vet, vet, vet. Do it with me. Vet, vet, vet. Next word, cake, cake, cake. Do it with me. Cake, cake, cake. Okay, pardon me, I had to pause that because my dog Journey was eating her bone really loud by me while I'm trying to record. So I'm going to do this one again. Cake, cake, cake. Now do it with me. Cake, cake, cake. Last one. Type, type, type. Do it with me. Type, type, type. Good job. We are going to move on. Excuse me. Who remembers what this sound is? We learned it on the last lesson. Like van. Parents, we're going to pause right here, and you are going to say this sound and write it on a piece of paper. Resume when you're ready. Okay, we are going to review these sounds. I would like for you to pause and also write them as you're reviewing the sounds, and resume when you're ready. All right, here are the next sounds. Review these sounds. Don't necessarily do them in order because the kids will memorize them. So it's best to do them out of order. And I would like for you to review the sounds and write them as well, and resume when you're ready. Here's our next set of sounds. Same thing. You're going to review the sounds. We are going to write them and then resume when you're ready. Next set of sounds. Review these sounds. Write them as well and resume when you're ready. Okay, here is our brand new sound. Z. Say z. Say zip. Say zap. Say zoom. Say zoinks. All of those words begin with the z sound. Now all of my next words, even though some of them end in the letter S, are going to end with the z sound. Say buzz. Say was. Was is on there twice, you see it. And say is. All of those words end with the z sound. Here is how we write the sound z. You are going to start at the dotted line, make a straight line over, do not pick up your pencil or crayon or marker, whatever you're writing with, slant down to the bottom line, and then pull back to the right. We are going to go over our workbook page. Here is where you're going to practice writing the sounds, and you're going to sound out the word at the bottom. It's a 2-sound word. Oz. Like the Wizard of Oz. And on the back side, we do not have pictures to match up today with words. We are going to practice writing some of the sounds that we've already learned. Okay? And just like in the last lesson, we are going to differentiate between the s and the Z sound. Just like you did on the last lesson, I want you to put your hand on your throat and say S. Okay, and you don't feel anything, but say Z, and you can feel that vibrate. Okay, so what you're going to do is pause. You are going to say the words, and your child's going to repeat them after you, and then they're going to tell you which word starts with the Z sound. Okay, pause here and resume when you're ready. Okay, and here we go with our chaining. Here is the list of words at the bottom. Remember, whenever you change a sound, make sure to ask if it is the beginning, middle, or end sound, and sound out the new word. You added a new sound, so you will need to make 2 Z cards. That way you are able to do the chaining. Okay, y'all are doing great work, and we will be back with lesson 8 tomorrow.